Everyone, this is Pretension and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this podcast video series, we'll learn how to handle the MapType column. Okay, so we should start, we will try to understand what is MapType column. Okay, so this kind of column is basically called MapType column, where the data is stored as an object which is stored as an object of value pair. Okay. So in Python we have already seen all. I think I'm assuming all you guys will know about the Python dictionary data type. So this is basically the dictionary data type as a value pair. So in PySpark, if we have a column with a dictionary framework, so it is called basically a map type column. पाइथन में अगर कोई कॉलम डिक्शनरी फॉर्म में होता है तो उसको मैप टाइप डेटा टाइप लिखा है तो ओके हाउ टू हैंडल दिस आज वही वीडियो भी यहाँ देखते हैं ठीक है so I have already created this in the see for saving the time so this for you can see the screen here is map type and use value here. So if we will try to define the nicety, so how we define it first to import it. Okay, I have imported all the functions which is required for defining the explicit schema. Okay. You know the struct field and struct type why we are using how we are using for defining the specific if you don't know please go to my YouTube channel and you see I have already uploaded here. Please go and watch the videos are in sequence. Okay, so you get to learn lots of things from here about the Spark. Okay. So I have already find here this thing. So like this also. So you can see structure first device it is a string it is okay. But structure properties when I'm defining the properties I'm giving the data type as a map type data type. Under the argument under the bracket in the bracket I'm passing string type as my first value is ram it is a string and then the key is a integer for storage also it is a ram and sorry key is a ram the key is a string value and value is a integer type. So key is a string type and value is an integer type. So we are defining it like that. Okay. So now we can run. Next one. You can see the same. So basically, we have to do overall. So ये जो अगर कोई डेटा टाइप में डेटा फ्रेम में और डेटा टाइप में कोई भी कॉलम या डिक्शनरी पेयर में या ऑब्जेक्ट में रहता है तो उसको मैप टाइप डिफाइन करने के लिए एक्सप्लिसिट स्कीमा में आपको यहाँ पे मैप टाइप यूज करना पड़ेगा और उसका आर्गुमेंट में आपका जो की का डेटा है उसको दो और उसका वैल्यू का जो डेटा है वो वाला दो तो काम हो जाएगा ठीक है तो आपको और भी अच्छे से समझ में आ गया फाइल डिस्प्ले ओके to use it here display you will get more clarify about the data. Okay. You can see here so basically this is the funda of my MapType column. So how to access now we will try to understand that how to access these objects okay from here. So we got the data as a key value pair object okay we got the data but for accessing you suppose we want to access the or storage or suppose we want to access the RAM for all these devices what we will do? So I have already written the code here. So we have just taken one new column. Okay, let's take it RAM call. Okay, I'm giving it RAM call name. With the new column name, and I'm storing the RAM data, whatever device we have in the dataset. All the devices, whatever it is the RAM, it will store the data in the RAM column. So yeah, okay. In properties column, whatever the RAM data is there, it is to store the data in the RAM column. So sorry, yes. For storage also you can do. So you do it HTTP. Sorry. Properties, it is in properties column only. So only we need to change the key name, storage. One second. So if you have still any kind of confusion, please comment in the video section. Okay. I think you have understood the concept. Okay. So, but if you have still any kind of doubt regarding the functionality, or you want to see the documentation, please use the help function. As I'm already telling you already, every time I'm telling you that use the help function if you are a beginner part. Okay. So this is the main funda of this my type MapType column. So I think you understood how to handle it. So if you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, please support us. Your support is really much required for growing my channel. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.